Hello and welcome to Three Blind Mice Window Coverings. Today I want to show you a product built for the European style window. So this is a very unique style window. It's a European tilt-in window. So how this works is you're going to turn the handle and then you just tilt in the window to let that breeze through, or you can open it all the way up onto a side. Now this is a very specific window. It's not used very much in the US, but if you have one of these, you already know how hard it is to put a window covering over it because you cannot block the window from opening up. So Louverlight came out with a great product called the Perfect Fit. And what the Perfect Fit does, it's a small frame system that actually clamps on to the existing glass. So there's no screws on this, nothing holding this in but the spring tension clamps. And what's nice about that is they've given themselves enough room to put in some custom window coverings. So here on this one, we have a day-night cell shade, pleated shade option for you. So here we've got a screen fabric that's on the window. You can adjust that, bring that down, and do a room darkening fabric as well. And that's still great. And at any time, we can still tilt the window open and have it. So you still have all your privacy and your view. They make this in a cell shade. They also make this available in a roller shade. So you can get a roller shade that you can do the same thing where if you want to do the roller shades. This works on both the windows and the doors. So if you have the Perfect Fit doors, you can put that on a Perfect Fit door as well. Now again, the nice thing about this, low profile, works on the windows and the doors of the European style. So if you'd like more information to this or any of our great products, please find us at threeblindmiceusa.com.